Alikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making kale and potato pakoras. Kale is a superfood. It's filled with nutrients such as vitamin K, A, and C. It's high in iron, high in fiber, so it has a lot of good qualities in it, and I wanted to incorporate that into the pakoras since pakoras are a guilty pleasure. Like, you know, they're fried, they're potatoes and all that. They're so good to eat, but I just wanted to make it a little bit healthier. So this is my version of the kale and potato pakoras. I hope you enjoy it, and let's get to the ingredients. Right, for this recipe we will need 2 Idaho potatoes chopped, 2 cups of chopped kale, 1 cup of chopped coriander leaves, 1 small onion sliced, 1 small hot pepper sliced, 2 cups of besan, chickpea flour, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, 1/2 teaspoon of anardana, 2/3 of a teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of ajwain, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and 2/3 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Now in an empty bowl, I will put the chopped potatoes and I will add the kale as well as the coriander leaves, the onions, and the hot pepper, and mix it together. Once mixed, I will add all the spices one by one. I'm putting ajwain in this. I always put it in pakoras because ajwain is good for digestion. Pakoras can sometimes give you gas and like an upset stomach, but if you put ajwain in it, it takes care of that issue. So after putting all the spices in there and the lemon juice, I will add the besan too, which is called chickpea flour in English, and mix it all together. Now I will add that water, and for this you're gonna have to eyeball it. It shouldn't be too thick or too thin. Now I will take the pan with oil in it, heat it up, and I'm gonna start frying the pakoras. I'm gonna add 1/2 tablespoon to the hot oil and let them fry. They will go for 1.5 minutes on each side, and then I will flip it on the other side and let them go for like 1 minute. Once they're done, I will take them out on a plate, and this is the end product. They are golden, delicious pakoras. Alright guys, this is the final product. I made the pakoras and I made some pudina ki chutney to go with it as a dipping sauce. Look at. And now I'm going to try one for you all. Let's take this one. I hope you can hear the crispiness of the pakora. And it's fully cooked from the inside. And I'm going to dip it in. And I'm going to see how it is. It's so good. Pakoras are the weakness to my soul. They're so good. You can taste everything in it. The anardana as well. That's coming out. Alright guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.